Alright, it's a girl again. I am wearing the same attire because I've been doing videos all day long because I have a lot of things that I want to show you guys. So now we're gonna go into my girl Kylie. So I got my Kylie box. So pretty. I love the pink. So I got some goodies. So when you open up the box, this is how it looks. You open up the box, this is how it looks. Now, I have to tell you guys some things because alright, so oh my god. Alright, so she sends you a card. I love it. That's why I showed you, because I love it. Now I'm gonna show you the first thing that I bought. It's not the first thing that I bought, but I'm just gonna show you this because this was the only thing that I was upset about. Because in the picture online, it did not look like that. So I bought this lipstick and it's called Haunted. I bought it because I thought it was red with glitter. And it's not. So let me show you what it looks like. Now, I might be able to make it work if I use like a different lip liner or maybe put a lip topper over it. I don't know. But this is what it looks like absolutely alone. So first off, Kylie. That was from the previous video, sorry. So I opened it up, I swear to you, I thought it was gonna be like ruby red with like gold sparkles in it, okay? This is the color. Now it's summertime, these colors are hot, so I'm thinking maybe I'll get away with it, right? Let's see. I don't know. I haven't even tried it. You know what? I kind of like it. It's different. And it's good for the summer, like I said. And everybody's been using all these like glitter and, you know, holographic and all this shit. So, it doesn't look ugly on me, but I don't know. I would have to play with it a little bit. So I don't know. Maybe with a different liner. I don't know. So that's that color. And let me show you the other colors I got from my girl Kylie. So I'm a dumbass and I got So I'm an ass, and I got these things actually also because it was on sale, and you know, I think that lipstick was like $5, $8, I don't know. And I wanted to try the lip liner, and I thought I had gotten the whole set, but I only got the lip liner. So this is Mary Jo lip liner. Let me tell you, I'm getting the lipstick next because the lip liner is good. And this lip liner is so good I could use it as a lipstick. So look, I got glitter all over everywhere. Did that just happen? Oh, I'm not getting up. Okay. So this is a liner. And I like the color. So I will be getting the lipstick to go with it. I'm making a mess here, but alright, it's not on perfect because it broke while I was trying to put it on, and I'm not getting out to sharpen it. So this is the color. This is Mary Jo from Kylie Cosmetics. We like it. It's alright with me. So like I said, I wanted to see how it would look with the other color, the orange one. So let's look real quick and see. This color is so good by itself. I'm definitely getting the lipstick. See? See, this is what I thought this was gonna be, like this. So I got me a new color, and I like it better. It looks really pretty together. So that's that. My God, I hope my lips don't be hurting after this. Should I take a picture? Why does it? I don't know how to do this. I swear, I feel like I'm stupid. Like, what the hell? So, this is two colors. This is Haunted and Mary Jo liner. Taking it off because I want you to see the other colors that I got from Kylie Cosmetics. So the next color that I have is a set, and it's called Wicked. before I do Wicked, I'm gonna do this one first. So I have Valentine, and I have to tell you, I really, really love this color. So I got the set, so I got the liner and the lipstick. So ooh, ooh. Alright, so that's the liner. But this is the piece de resistance. I hardly know. Isn't that the prettiest pink? It doesn't make my teeth look yellow, nothing. It's just like I just want to be like, mwah. And this is Valentine for my girl Kylie. So that was the set. And I like this formula too because it's dry, as you can see, but it's not scratchy. I overdid my lips a little bit too much, but, and look, that was from before my eyeshadow. So that's that color. I hardly know this beauty by my side. I just love this lipstick. It's so pretty and pink. I got pink shoes for the summer, and I got I'm gonna show you. I got what's that called? Oh, a tank top, pink for Cancer. It's gonna be pretty. Now this takes a little bit to get off. Yeah, really. It just feels that way because it's dry, but so the next and last one that I'm gonna try on for you guys is the Wicked, because this is really pretty too. I really like this one a lot too. And then, so this is what it looks like. The only thing is that these liners, they just like want to break. I'm not putting on the liner. So I'm just gonna put on the lipstick because you can tell what it looks like. Alexa, next song. I already messed it up. But you get the picture. It's a really pretty purple. I really like it. So that's all for Kylie Cosmetics that I have gotten. And as you can see, even though I got something I didn't like, I made it work with the Mary Jo lip liner. All I have to do is just sharpen the liners. So that was from Kylie Cosmetics, okay? We're gonna put this aside now, and we're gonna finish this video because now I'm on to the next.